They've all been levelled up. This one here again, all levelled up to within an inch of each other. That's again a bit more than because they're not balanced out yet because of the rain. Yeah, not balanced out. All they've had a cane on with a white line on to line it up with the top of the barrel to guide me. So they're all within I would say half an inch of each other in height. The slope, the site is sloping. That's why I've got to raise them up. Right, that's all I've used to put them together. I'll just grab these out now. These are rather crudely put together. They need tidying up. That's one. Slightly different version. That's version maybe 2 or 3. This is version 4, I think. So our version 4. Version 4. This is I think it's 10 ampere inverter, which converts the 12 volts. Sorry, converts the 18 volts to 12 volts. This needs 12 volts. Of course, this is 12, and you need an inverter to convert from 18 to 12. Okay, this is 17 to 36, so it's a wide range for other uses, and it's 20 amperes. Doesn't need to be 20 amps, 10 amps more than sufficient. 12 volts, yeah, 12 volts. I think there's enough information there for most people to put one of these together, but I'd love to see a professional version, do-it-yourself version rather, but comparing with the professional version, which I'm sure I've seen it on Amazon just a month ago for £200. They called it a barrel pump. Yeah, there's lots of them around, but they're not quite like this, I don't think. And they need modifying and changing, make it look a little bit easier. So drop one of these. I drop one of these in the any barrel, and I can start pumping water and spraying plants if I need to, or changing barrel, whatever I need to do. Yeah, various ways of doing it. Yeah, and you get quite a good pressure. Yeah. Paid £13–14 for that, not absolutely sure. This one I used to pay £15–20, come down to £10, come down to even less than that, yeah. And these, well, of course, £50. You can get cheaper ones than that, yeah. Don't need that. Right, I'll very quickly show. Right, we're almost empty now, pumping along. Yeah, we're a barrel is emptied in usually, well, in this case 10 minutes I would say, but you can do it much faster than that. I'm restricting the flow with the resistance of the pipes I've got on here. Yeah, they can go a lot faster. It gushes out quite a lot. Yeah, so leave that to, just want to show this. Time if you need to. There's a 2-core cable there. It's not 3-core, 2-core cable. And that goes along here, only low voltage, not dangerous. Yeah.